Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on the G20 Summit. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the G20 Summit is a significant international forum that brings together leaders from the world's major economies. Second line is, India's participation in the G20 Summit holds immense significance. Third line is, it represents one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. Fourth line is, as a member of the G20, India actively contributes to shaping global economic policies. Fifth line is, through its participation in the summit, India seeks to promote digital transformation and innovation. Sixth line is, it is reinforcing its commitment to global cooperation and multilateralism. Next line is, the G20 Summit provides India with an opportunity to showcase its rich cultural heritage and its potential as an investment destination. Eighth line is, India's involvement in the summit strengthens its position as a global player. Ninth line is, it provides a platform to contribute to inclusive and sustainable development. Last line is, India's voice at the G20 table reflects its aspirations of becoming a global economic powerhouse.